Yes, I welcome you all to my channel. Yeah, so today I want to show you how I trade futures on Bybit. Yeah, so you can see that I finished here two trade right now, and SRP has lost right now, but moving because this is how I do my analysis. Like if I go to here and chat here for SRP, you can see that 4 hours 4 hours time frame is still going short. And me, I don't do big analysis. I just watch the trends. You see, yeah. So I've entered trade and do it, and I've made a lot of profit. That's why I'm doing this video. So you can see that. Let me go to 3 minutes time frame. It's going short as well for SRP. Yeah, so that's why I went short. Yeah, because like when I go to, I always compare the spots to the future. So when I go to the spots and I see that SRP is going short, and the time I want to enter, I can say that okay, it's down. Then I know that in the futures too, it will go down. Yeah. So so you can see that I'm targeting SRP to go to $2. Yeah, that's my target right now. Yeah. So this is how I trade futures. And one thing is, when you enter trade, like don't be scared. Maybe when you enter, you know that okay, you're losing money. You can see that right now, like I'm down. Yeah, I'm down. I entered 2.16 and market price 2.17 right now, and my leverage was 50 times, like 50 times, and it's going up right now. It's going up right now. So my stop loss is 2.3. So when it's 2.3, that is my stop loss. Yeah, but and the Solana too, I entered Solana, but Solana my leverage was 10 times. That one I did it by mistake. I wanted to go 50 times and it mistakenly go 10 times. Yeah. So the Solana to this how and all these things I've been making money from it right now. You can see that I've been trading some. Yeah, I've been trading some right now. You see, yeah. So this one too, like I check the time frame and I see that from 4 hours to 3 minutes is going down, but right now it's gaining momentum right now. So Solana, I'm down. Yeah, and SRP too, I'm down. But I know that Solana will go down small, it will go short, and SRP too will go short. So let's give it time. Yeah, I wanted to do a vlog today so that like I will leave it. Yeah, and one thing is you always have to set a stop loss just close. Like let me check something. You see, when it comes to my SRP here, my entry was 2.16, and I did it with the market value, yeah, market order, yeah, and my stop loss is 2.3. So it means that when it hits stop loss, I'm not like losing much. You see, when it hits stop loss, I'm not losing much. Yeah. And when it hits take profit too, I'm gaining money. It's that thing. So always have to set your stop loss in the sense that when it hits stop loss, you will not be losing much. You're saying, yeah, always have to set your stop loss in the sense that when it hits stop loss, you'll not be losing. Yeah. So I'm doing a vlog that I want to transform or flip $10 to $100. Yeah, and so far I've gained 162 profits, and you can see that the unified trading I have the 20 inside. So currently I'm trading with 20 as well. Yeah, 20 as well, and I've earned $2.59 on it. Yeah, so my vlog is on the Crypto Lord GH YouTube, how I'm flipping $10 to $100. Yeah, for you to see. Yeah, with future trading, people have been saying that I do it only with crypto arbitrage. I have to try it on future trading. That's why I'm doing this challenge. Yeah. So you can see that it's all green right now. It's going up. SRP 0.7. Yeah, and this one I'm trading with 1010 USDT, 1010 USDT, and the SRP that I set it on isolated. Always set it on isolated, and the leverage. If you feel fear, go 10. But when you have the VIM, go 50. But I would advise you to go 10. So imagine if this one was 50 times, I'm earning a lot of profit. So I want to do it, and how I want to close the market for you to all see. Yeah. So this is how I'm doing it. So I have to wait, and always have to set your target. Like, let's say on $10, how much do you want to earn on it so that you will close from market? So me, my target is always from 20% plus, 20% plus. So when I get 20% plus, I fall off trade, then I will analyze the market again and I'll re-enter. So currently the SRP is in 8.9. So let's wait for it to get to 20, then I'll fall off. Yeah. So currently like my take profit is what, 145, and the market price 146. So when it hits 145, I'm making money like that for Solana. And the SRP to my entry price was 2.1, and my take profit is 2, and currently the market price is 1.1, 2.1. Yeah, so it's going down as well. This is what you don't have heart, you will not do. You see, it's go up, but then right now it's falling as well. So if you don't have, if you trade with emotions, you will always not get profit. So we don't trade with emotions. We don't trade with emotions like Charlie. You see, at first it was 1 plus, but me, my target is 20 to 50%. So I have to wait for it to get to that limit. Yeah. So let me check. Yeah, Solana is going down. And SRP losing. So still I have to wait for it to get to the price that I want. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to trade with HS2, I will guide you. Yeah, I will guide you, and I will tell you when to enter market. It's not every day that you have to enter market. You see, and it's not every day that you have to. It's not every time. At times you have to read the trends. Because like me, SRP, if SRP go up like this, I still know that SRP will still fall. I know that it will come down. I know that it will come down. Because the short candles are more higher than the long candles. So I know that it still come. Yeah. So just relax. Right now, SRP in minus 6.5%, and Solana 4.24% right now. Yeah. So I have to wait for it to get to my target, then I sign out from the trade. And it's advisable that if you're trading with a small money, a small capital, your leverage has to be 10 or less. Don't trade with small money and put your leverage at 50, because you can see that this one, my leverage is 50. So if it's going long, it's deducting me a lot. So if I'm gaining profit, I'm gaining a lot. That's how it is on a $10 account. You see, on a $10 account. Yeah. So you have to know how you set your leverage and your stop loss. Because like me, if it hits stop loss, I'm losing, let's say, $2 to $3. You see, yeah, it's huge though. For $10, it's huge though. But yeah, at least it's not taking all my profit away. Yeah. And if I hit my take profit too, I'm earning more than $6 on a $10 account. You see that thing? Yeah. So this is how you do your trade. And if you want to learn more, you can follow me. You can see right now I'm in green right now, so I'm going. Yeah. So this is how it is. So thank you, and